Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Beatrice. I do a bunch of fashion, lifestyle, and travel content. And today I have a very special video and partnership with one of my favorite travel brands. If you guys have seen any of my other videos, you already know about them. It's Bagsmart, and they have sent me this amazing 30-inch trunk luggage that we're gonna do a total deep dive review into so you guys can see just how amazing this bag is. If you are new to Bagsmart, I'm so glad you're here. It is literally one of the most convenient and well thought out travel brands that I've ever used. They specialize in travel bags, just offering a very wide variety of different styles. All of their pieces, to me, have just been so well thought out, specifically for travel. So when I think of travel, I'm always trying to find ways to be very organized and just keep my stuff together where it's not falling around in the suitcase, things aren't spilling and going all over my clothes. Every Bagsmart piece I've had uses such smart details. You'll see when we go into the deep dive. This one is iconic, and this is my first trip with it. I'm obviously in a hotel, so you guys will see just how well thought out I was able to plan everything and pack everything. And for me, that just eases the stress of travel so much. So if you're new to Bagsmart, you definitely need to check them out. I will have a discount code. I'll put it here on the screen and in the description box. So if you guys check them out, you should definitely use my code. So let's get into this deep dive review. So like I said, this is the Bagsmart Getaway 30-inch trunk luggage. And if you guys know anything about suitcases, trunk styles tend to go a little bit deeper. I will insert some clips so you guys can see this a little better than just me sitting here. So this trunk, it fits so much, which for me, if you know me as a person, I pack a lot of stuff and I am always struggling to find suitcases that can fit all of my things. I usually have to pare down, which for a fashion girly is just so sad. I want to carry all of my coats and bags and boots and shoes with me when I travel, and this suitcase has made it possible for me. So besides the fact that it just has extra storage, one of the things that has really helped me pack is the fact that it has what's called space-saving bridge lid design, which you'll see when I go into a deep dive. All these little compartments just organize it so well. Besides like inside it, how everything fits inside, the wheels. This suitcase is full, by the way. Look at this. Smooth. I have like boots, I have all my toiletries, I have my clothes, bags, and this is rolling so easily. Besides, now that I'm mentioning all the things that I have in here, you may be wondering, oh, is this suitcase very overweight? Well, I can tell you that it is not, because on this side, and again, I'll do a close-up, there's a handle that weighs your suitcase, and it turns red when your suitcase is starting to get too heavy, so that you know when you're at home and you're trying to pack all your cute little shoes and boots and whatever, if it's starting to get too heavy, which could definitely save you at the airport if you're potentially gonna pay for overweight fees for your suitcase, which is just so nice, again, for somebody who's an overpacker to have a little bit of security in that sense of, maybe I can't pack my 5th pair of shoes in here because it's just getting a little bit too heavy. But instead of having to take that out at the airport, open up my suitcase, rearrange things, which is just the most inconvenient thing ever, this suitcase helps me determine that before I even leave my house, which is just chef's kiss. And then it's a trunk, very sturdy, the rolling, so smooth. I cannot wait to get into showing you guys just how convenient and stylish and organized this is. So let's get into the suitcase. I'll show you the rolling smoothness. It also has 3 different handle levels. So you have it all the way down. You can have it low level, medium level, and the top level. Guys, it just rolls so smoothly. Like, this makes me very happy. And I'm on carpet right now in the hotel room. My suitcase is full. I'm gliding. It's like a dance. I hate when I'm in the airport and I'm trying to wheel my suitcase and I'm over here dragging, breaking my wrist because it's just so heavy and the wheels are just not smooth. This has not been the case. I've wheeled this all through the hotel, all through the room, outside, on the concrete. It's just so smooth. I just had to show you that. Okay, now let's get in the suitcase. This is the weight handle, and then it does have the TSA approved lock system. So when you're weighing it, oh God, you weigh it this way. And I'll come move you guys so you can see the whole mechanism. So this is the weight handle. Basically, it just goes off of the weight. So when I carry it like this, right here, you'll see if it turns red, and that's how you know it's overweight. But I've also learned that if I can just pull it hard enough, you can see the red too. So that's just basically how that weight system works. But thankfully, I am not overweight for this trip. I did not fly, we drove. We are in Vegas, which is why I have my sparkly pants on. So this is how it looks. She's so sleek. I got the all black color, which I think is just so classy and nice. Again, TSA approved lock system, the double zippers, and just look at this masterpiece. And you don't need the back wall to support this. It totally sits up by itself with these straps here. You guys don't understand, the organization here is just so good. So you have this top section here. This has some clear sections, which I've kept things like lotion, but it's really good to separate wet or dry items. Even if you went swimming or something and you just wanted to keep your wet swimsuit in here for a time being, toiletries, water, anything like that is really good for these slots. You have this slot here, another slot here, which does have elastics, so you can keep things upright if you need to. This one here, and it does come with this really cute ribbon from Bagsmart that says here or there, now or never, which is their slogan, which I think is so cute. I'm gonna keep this in here for now, but this would be a really good way to tag your bag in case you needed to spot it quickly in the airport. Two more little slots here with some mesh details. And the thing is, like, I packed a lot and I still have space in these sections. Again, this section has two more mesh slots that you can fit. Then items if you need to. This is the most magic part that I love. You would think that, oh, this is just a then spot for your suitcase. No, this opens up and you can fit more things in here. I have, look at this, this is thick. This is my toiletries, which I actually have a new toiletry bag that I will show you from Bagsmart that is gonna be 5 times better than this one. But it can fit something this deep in here. And I love that it has this separator section. I was able to fit boots. I was able to fit my bag. Just so much space. I'll take this up so you guys can see it clearly. So much space. And there's not like a huge bump in here. Some suitcases have a huge bump. It's that trunk detail. It's just so spacious and I love the separator. And it is Velcro. If you wanted to adjust this, there's a Velcro strip here and at the top. And this is the divider. So if you wanted it more in the middle, you can do that as well. So you can have even spaces, which I've been saying this whole video, it's Bagsmart because they're really smart about it. They think of things like this. Fantastic. And then, like I said, you have this bottom section, which is the deeper trunk section, zip closure, and then it has this strap to help you drop things down if you need to tighten it. I did not need to because it fits so much for me this trip. Unclip that, and you have 3 sections. This is the toiletry bag I was mentioning. Bagsmart was so nice to gift this to me. I haven't put anything in it yet because I wanted to do a full-on review so you guys could get my live reaction. This is the Crush toiletry bag, and I believe it was on Oprah's list of favorite things, so I'm very excited to really do a deep dive into this too. You saw my one makeup bag, and then I have a couple other toiletry bags that I just carried with me. So we'll see how all of those things fit into this one bag in a second, but we'll finish going over this overview first. So as you can see, it has 3 different sections, and it also has the Velcro, so you can adjust these to whatever size you need. Or if you wanted just one big open space, you can take these dividers out. So it really just depends on how you like to pack. I love the organization. This has been so nice for me on my travels. I feel like I've been able to stay organized the entire time. It's just been so good. And beyond having this organization in the trunk, Bagsmart has packing cubes. If you know anything about me, I'm obsessed with packing cubes. They literally are the best thing for travel and staying organized. But out of all the packing cubes I've used, I love Bagsmart's because this is heavy. I fit a lot of clothes in here. But you know why it fits and takes up literally half the height of the suitcase? Is because the way Bagsmart does it is they have the zipper open and closed to put your clothes in. But the key thing for their packing cubes is they have this compression zipper so you can fit more things and then make it really slim. Look at that. It just doubled in size just from undoing this. And At the top, they leave a little mesh part out. I believe maybe just to air out clothes, but it's also really nice to just compress and get all the air out. Have you ever seen those infomercials where they have the vacuum and then they suck it closed? It's kind of like that type of idea, but just hand and manual. So if I leave this unzipped, it fits the entire height of this. But when I zip it down and compress it, and it is actually very easy to do, the zippers are very heavy duty. Look at that. Going so fast. And look how thick this side is next to this one. The only thing is I just have to make sure that the zipper doesn't get caught in the material, so I just push it down a little bit, but the zipper does most of the work. Done. Half the size again. And their packing cubes come with a few different ones. There's a big one like this. I packed a little bit of a smaller size like this. I like this slim size, this thinner one for socks, underwear, those types of things. Take these out. There's more in this set. I didn't even need all of them, but I brought them just in case if I wanted to put dirty clothes and stuff in there. Another of the medium size and another of the smaller size. And then it comes with the drawstring bag, but again, just high quality, very heavy duty, great for travel. So all of that fit. My 2 extra toiletry bags fit, which I'm gonna try and swap out in the new bag, and another pair of shoes. This trunk suitcase is just so amazing to me. How easy it is to both customize it and modify it to fit exactly what you need. And there's so much space. I'm going on a cruise, actually, the end of this month, just for a little Christmas, New Year's holiday vacation. And I cannot wait to take this with me. The cruise is like, I wanna say it's almost 2 weeks long, which in any other suitcase, I would be really stressed out about how am I gonna fit 2 weeks worth of clothes in there. Like obviously I could wash them or hopefully wash them while I'm on the travels, but this makes it so much easier where I don't even have to worry about that. I can take my full-size products with no worries. And she just looks classy. Like if you have travels coming up, I would highly recommend this bag. It just makes sense. For travels, for staying organized, for fitting everything, it just makes sense. Okay, now that I've raved and raved and raved about this, I'm actually very excited to see how much the Crush toiletry bag can fit. So it has a bunch of different compartments, it looks like, which is iconic Bagsmart. So on the back side, oh, another wet dry. It has a slot like this. These don't open, it's just one section here. And then on the other side and the front, I already know this is gonna be so good. I love when toiletry bags have these little sections in it so you can fit stuff. And then it has pockets here. 2 pockets on this side. I love that it has this material in it. So if my makeup or my skincare products burst during travel, it's gonna be very easy to clean up. And then on the top, it has 2 more zippers. Oh, wow. Guys, this is very insane in the best way. Let me see if I can show this the best way possible. So it's pretty deep, it goes in deep, and then on each side, there's a pocket. If you can see that, there's 3 pockets. Well, technically 4 if you count this middle section. And then the other side is the exact same thing. So you can fit 1, 2, 3 pockets, 4 if you count the middle. Same thing on the other side, that's 8 pockets. You have a full deep side here, and then tons of organization and pockets here. So let's fit all of my other makeup and skincare into this bag and see how it does. Okay, so you guys can see, I have the bag ready to go. This is Bagsmart, and I packed 3. 1 for makeup, 1 for hair, 1 for, oh, this might be hair. You know what I'm thinking? This might be my camera stuff. I don't even remember. This is all my extra camera gear. So technically 2. But we'll see if it could even fit my camera gear too. Let's start with the hair care because that's a little bit bigger. I have a brush, I have a couple hair products. This is makeup wipe for my nails and a few other tiny little things that I just threw in there. These are gonna easily fit, oh my gosh. It just felt like so much more because of how much space it took up. So for these guys, I'm feeling like they're gonna fit pretty well in these middle sections. Do you see how deep that is? Oh my gosh, I don't even know if you guys can understand I haven't even filled one section and I almost took up an entire toiletry bag that I brought. This is actually insane. I can see why Oprah really liked this. Hairbrush, I'll fit into one of those pockets. I have a little gel, like UV light kit to do my nails. I'll fit that in one of the pockets. Easy peasy. I like toothpaste, cuticle cream, and then a makeup wipe. And those can just go in the back pocket. This, clearly I could fit more stuff if I really wanted to, but let's zip this up. Done. One toiletry bag, don't need it anymore. So I think this side will be pretty good for makeup and stuff. I do have a lot of makeup in here, so I think that this will be interesting to see. This is how the other one is. Not very organized, all just kind of crammed in there. This one has a little bit of organization, but not nearly like this. Yeah, it's looking full. Let's zip her up. Oh, easy. No problems at all. Let's go to this side since this has a little bit more organization. That's it. Empty. This is not even full, as you guys can see. I'll zip it up. And I did not even use this back section. There's nothing in this back section. I'm so impressed. Look at this. Beautiful. If I really wanted to fit my camera gear, I probably could. I actually think it would fit because I don't have that much in here. Might as well do it for the video. Last open section, all I had in this other one was my external drive and then some plugs to go into my laptop, headphones, and then my Canon G7X. Empty. Easily fit. And I'll zip it so you guys can see. I didn't even struggle to do that. All of my things fit in this so well. I just converted 3 toiletry bags into 1. I'm very impressed right now. That was a very good first impression, Bagsmart. Not that I have really had any doubts based off of my other 2 bags from you, but so impressed. Anyways, that was my full deep dive review. If this hasn't convinced you to get the Bagsmart 30-inch Getaway trunk or the Crush toiletry bag, I don't know what to say. Anyways, again, I will have a discount code here on the screen and in the description box for you guys to get a discount on their website. Bagsmart, thank you for sponsoring this video. I would have posted this video anyways because I am just that much obsessed with organization, especially when it comes to travel, and Bagsmart has not let me down. So go check out their website. Now is the time to really travel with holidays coming up. Get your bag in now so you can have the most stress-free travel experience. So thank you for watching and go get the discount, and I'll see you guys next time.